Джон Гришэм к каждой истории относится очень серьезно. Если ему, проработавшему адвокатом 10 лет, не хватает личного опыта, он обращается к чужому.
Мне пришлось побывать во многих тюрьмах. Я был в тюрьме для смертников, я был в разных тюрьмах. Это захватывает. Особенно если встречаешь юриста или судью, потому что где-то там есть классная история, которая с ним произошла.
Гришэма бестселлерами стали все 30. Они переведены на 40 языков мира. Их общий тираж составил 300 миллионов экземпляров. Его романы экранизировали такие блестящие режиссеры, как Сидни Поллак и Фрэнсис Форд Коппола. Как пишут американские критики, мастеров юридического детектива все больше, а Джон Гришэм по-прежнему один.
Everyone is assuming that the motive is hatred or revenge. What if the issue involved old-fashioned material greed?
1,000 miles away in New Orleans, a lone law student has pieced together who did the killings and why.
Your girlfriend has a theory?
She's a brilliant student with a passion for constitutional law.
Her conclusions are detailed in a document known in the corridors of power as the Pelican Brief.
Miss Shaw, you take my breath away.
Now, she has become a target. And the only person she can trust is an investigative journalist.
Everyone I've told about the brief is dead.
I'll take my chances.
Julia Roberts, Denzel Washington.
If this thing reaches as deep and goes as high as we think it does, these men will do anything not to be exposed.
The Pelican Brief.
Got a daughter, Jake. What would you do?
I figure there's a lot of people out there tired of all the raping, killing. They'd be sympathetic to a man who took the law in his own hand. Even if he is black.
Our society cannot condone men who take the law into their own hands, no matter what the circumstance.
How do you wish to plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Yeah, you sure you want to be known as the man that defended that murderer?
Why toss away a promising career?
I'd really like to help you with the trial. You ever seen a man executed? What I suggest you do is you go watch a man be executed. You watch him die. You watch him beg.
I don't like your politics, but you do have passion, and that's something Carl Lee needs right now, and maybe so do I.
If you was on that jury, what would it take to set me free?
You sat me down, and you said to me, what I can offer you is a chance to save the world one case at a time.
He's taking justice out of your hands and put it in his own.
You tell them boys we need some clan down here in camp.
We've been getting calls at home, threats.
Your marriage is on the rocks. You're about to have an affair.
Lately, you've become much more interested in getting your face on the news than what's going on with your own family.
Don't let those bastards grind you down.
I set out to prove a black man could receive a fair trial. That's not the truth. So until that day, we have a duty to seek the truth, not with our mind, but with our hearts.
Do you think he was crazy when he did it?
No, he wasn't crazy.
When I saw that blood, I got so scared because I thought that was you.
Drop the case.
I quit now and all this for nothing, no.
You wagered all our lives on this.
You think the jury should convict Carl Lee Haley?
Objection! Turn him loose! Do you think they deserve to die, Mr. Haley? Answer the question.
Carl,
Did
don't
they
answer
deserve
that
to
question.
die?
Yes, they deserve to die, and I hope they